Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Hello students, let's continue the chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities. So what we have done so far is we have done multiplication of a monomial by itself, right, or multiplication of a monomial with other monomial. We have then discussed multiplication of a monomial with a polynomial, let it be binomial, let it be trinomial. So let us start with the next concept here. It is multiplying a polynomial with a polynomial. Right? So suppose I take two examples. Let us say a plus 7. This is one polynomial and I have to multiply it with another polynomial. Let it be 2a plus 7b. Okay, so what I need to do here is I have to multiply this a with 2a and 7b. Each term of the first monomial will get multiplied with each term of the second monomial, or I say each term of the first polynomial will get multiplied with each term of the second polynomial. So a will be first multiplied with 2a plus a will be multiplied with 7b also. A multiplied with 7b. Similarly, 7 will be multiplied with 2a and 7 will also be multiplied with 7b. Getting that? Now, a into 2a, 2 as it is. A into a is a square plus 7ab plus 7 2s are 14a plus 7 7s are 49b. Right, so we are multiplying a polynomial having two terms, that means a binomial with a binomial. Yes, now suppose I say we have a plus 7, or let us take it as a different one. We already took a plus 7, so I'm going to take a different example. So if I take a plus 2b, that is to be multiplied with 3a plus 4b. Suppose I have to multiply these two. Now, what we can do is, I have to multiply a with both of these, right? Each term of the first polynomial will get multiplied with each term of the second polynomial. So a will get multiplied with 3a. The sign in between will be, which is the sign in between these two terms. So it is plus, we'll write plus. Then a gets multiplied with 4b plus multiply 2b with 3a plus 2b with 4b. Clear? Now just see what we get. A into a is a square, so we get 3a square plus 4ab plus 2 3s are 6ba plus 2 4s are 8b square. Now we know that ab and ba, they are same. These are the same things. So we can add them. 3a square 4ab plus 6ab gives us 10ab, 10ab plus 8b square. So it is not compulsory. What I want you to notice is, just in this we got four terms, four different terms, or I would say unlike terms. But here we have three unlike terms, right? Two terms were like and we have combined them. So always you have to look for the like terms and combining them. If you don't find the like terms, just write the unlike terms as I have written in the first part. So this is what I have shown you, multiplying a binomial with a binomial, right? So now we have already done binomial with binomial. So let us take one more example here. Suppose you have to do 3a plus 2b and we have to multiply it with a plus b only, suppose. So first of all, this 3a will get multiplied with a and then with b. So 3a gets multiplied with a plus 3a gets multiplied with b. Then what is the sign here? Plus. So that plus will come up here. 2b will be multiplied with a plus 2b multiplied with b. So 3a square plus 3ab plus 2ba plus 2b square. As I told, like terms will get added. We get 3a square plus 3ab plus 2ab is 5ab plus 2b square. So this would be the answer for it. Clear? Let's move ahead. Here I have given us two binomials and we have to multiply them. So the first one is x minus 4 with 2x plus 3. So in the first one we will write x minus 4 multiplied with 2x plus 3. First of all we will multiply this x with 2x and 3. So we will write x multiplied with 2x plus x multiplied with 3. So this sign will come up between the terms when we multiply with x. Now when we start multiplying with the second term, this sign is to be taken into consideration. Minus will come, so 4 will get multiplied with 2x and minus 4 will get multiplied with 3. Clear? You have to take the sign along with it. So 2 into x becomes 2x square. Okay, then we have 3x minus 8x and minus 12. So just see 2x square. Then what do we have? 3x minus 8x gives us minus 5x minus 12. So what we have done, first of all we multiply x with 2x and 3, and then we have multiplied minus 4 with 2x and 3. Okay, so plus minus got minus here, and after solving it we got this answer. This is the answer for first part. We have multiplied these two binomials. Now in the second part, let us try second. In the second we are given with x minus y, that is to be multiplied with 3x plus 5y. Okay, so first of all let us multiply x with both of it. So x gets multiplied with 3x plus x gets multiplied with 5y. Then minus y will get multiplied with 3x. So minus y multiplied with 3x and minus y will get multiplied with 5y, like this. Clear? Then just to see here what we will get, 3x square plus 5xy minus 3yx minus 5y square. So just see 5xy and yx and xy are same things. So we will write 3x square. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2xy minus 5y square. So this is going to be the answer or the multiplication of x minus y and 3x plus 5y. Right? I hope the multiplication of a polynomial with another polynomial is clear. So what we have learned, multiplication of binomial with binomial. So it is not that we are going to multiply always the same. It can be different. A binomial can be multiplied with trinomial. A monomial can be multiplied with trinomial, right? So it is different. It is not going to be always same. Let's move ahead. So here we also have to multiply these. Let us try and practice this also. So we have a plus 7 and it is to be multiplied with b minus 5. So first of all a will get multiplied with b plus, just see here what should I write, plus or minus, what is the sign in between the terms, or also to make it simpler, let us make it more simple for us. What we will do, first of all we know that a is going to get multiplied with b minus 5, then use plus sign, right? Then 7 is getting multiplied with b minus 5. This is how we write actually. So multiply a with b, ab, minus a into 5 is 5a, plus 7b minus 7 into 5 is 35. So we get ab minus 5a plus 7b minus 35. So is there any term that we can combine? No. All of them are unlike term. One is a constant term, one is having b, one is having just a, and one is having both a and b. So no terms can be combined here. Is that clear? Let us try the second one. So for those who are finding it difficult, can write it first like this. Okay. Now the second part. Okay. How to do the second part? In second part we have a square plus 2b square, a square plus 2b square, that is to be multiplied with 5a minus 3b. Okay, first of all a square will get multiplied with 5a minus 3b and plus sign will be used here. Then 2b square is to be multiplied with 5a minus 3b. Is that clear? Let's multiply. A square into 5a is 5a to the power, it will be 3, minus 3a square b, plus 2 into 5, it is 10, b square a, minus 2 threes are 6, b square into b is b cube. So are these four like terms? No. The all four terms are unlike here. We cannot combine any of the term and write the answer, right? So this is the final answer that we have. So this is how we multiply, right? Let's move ahead. Here we are going to learn how do we multiply a binomial by a trinomial. As I told you in the starting itself that each term of the first polynomial will get multiplied with each term of the second monomial, or I say the polynomial. So first of all, a will get multiplied with a square plus 3a plus 5. That means first term of this will get multiplied with all the terms. Then the next term, it is 7. It will get multiplied with all the terms, a square plus 3a plus 5. So just see, a into a square is a cube, plus a into 3a is 3a square, and 5 into a is 5a, plus 7 into a square is 7a square, plus 7 into 3a is 21a, plus 7 into 5 is 35. So we will combine the like terms now. Is there any term having a cube? Just one term, a cube. For a square we have 3a square and 7a square. So 3a and 7a is 10a square, plus 5a and 21a. It makes 26a, right? And then we have, then we have 35. So we have written this term, 3a square is also combined with 7a square, 5a is combined with 21a, right? Is that clear? So this is how we multiply, right? So this would be the answer. Now here we have to simplify. First of all, we need to multiply these and then we need to combine the like terms, right? So let us first simplify the first one, that is a plus b, into 2a minus 3b plus c. First of all, we will solve this. So here first a will get multiplied with 2a minus 3b plus c, then b will get multiplied with 2a minus 3b plus c. So multiply a with 2a, 2a square minus 3ab plus ac, right? Plus 2ba minus 3b square, and with c, if we multiply b, we will get plus bc. So let us try to combine the like terms. Do we have any like term? We have 2a square minus 3ab. Is there any term containing ab? Yes, it is minus 3ab and it is plus 2ba. So we will be left with a minus of ab. Then we have ac, we have bc, and this. All three are different. So we'll just write them ac minus 3b square plus bc. Clear? So this is the simplified form. Now from this we have to subtract this. What will be the answer for this? Just see. So we have to multiply 2a minus 3b with c. So c, multiply the c inside. 2ac minus 3bc. Clear? Now let us subtract both of them. We have 2a square minus ab plus ac minus 3b square plus bc. And from this we have to subtract 2ac minus 3bc, because there is a negative sign outside. We are going to change the signs inside the bracket. 2a square minus ab plus ac minus 3b square plus bc minus 2ac, minus and minus will become plus 3bc. So let us try to combine the terms if possible. So 2a square, it will remain as it is, minus ab. Do we have any term containing ab? See carefully, it is ac, b square, bc, ac, bc. No, we don't have, so we'll write it as it is. The next is plus ac, and we have minus 2ac. AC minus 2ac gives us minus ac only. Then we have minus 3b square. it will also be written as it is. Then the last term, we have BC here and 3BC, it will become 4BC. So this will be the answer after simplification. So whenever it is said to simplify, first multiply the polynomials that are given and then use the subtraction. So whenever outside the bracket you see there is a negative sign, you change the signs inside the bracket. Right?